Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Hello car owners and DIY enthusiasts. Knowing the right amount of oil your car needs is crucial for proper engine function and longevity. In this comprehensive guide, we're providing information on the correct oil capacity for your vehicle. Join us as we explore factors influencing oil needs, how to determine the right amount, and why maintaining the proper oil level is vital for your car's performance. When it comes to maintaining your car, knowing how much oil it needs is essential. Proper oil levels are crucial for the overall health and performance of your vehicle. In this video, we will delve into the factors that determine the amount of oil your car requires and provide you with the information you need to keep your car running smoothly. Whether you're a new car owner or just looking to brush up on maintenance knowledge, understanding your car's oil needs is an important part of vehicle ownership. Understanding your car's oil needs. Oil is vital for your car's engine as it serves multiple crucial functions. Firstly, it lubricates the moving parts within the engine, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. Additionally, it helps to cool the engine by carrying heat away from the combustion chamber. Furthermore, oil plays a key role in preventing corrosion and keeping the engine clean by carrying away dirt and debris. Why oil is essential for your car. Motor oil is essential to keep your engine running smoothly and prolong its lifespan. Without oil, the metal components in the engine would rub against each other, causing friction and heat, ultimately leading to engine failure. How to determine the right amount of oil for your car. Checking your car's manual. Refer to your car's manual to find the recommended oil capacity. This information is typically listed in the Specifications or Fluid Capacities section. The manual provides accurate details about the type and amount of oil that best suits your vehicle. Understanding oil viscosity. Understanding oil viscosity is crucial in determining the right amount of oil for your car. The viscosity rating, such as 5W30, indicates the oil's thickness and flow in different temperatures. Consult your manual to identify the recommended viscosity range for your vehicle based on the climate and driving conditions. Considering your car's age and condition. The age and condition of your car can influence the amount of oil it requires. Older vehicles may have worn engine components that demand more lubrication. Additionally, high-mileage engines might benefit from a slightly thicker oil to maintain proper lubrication. Evaluate your car's age and condition to determine if any adjustments are necessary to the recommended oil amount. By carefully reviewing your car's manual, understanding oil viscosity, and considering your car's age and condition, you can confidently ascertain the right amount of oil needed for optimal engine performance. Factors affecting oil consumption. Driving habits. Regular, short trips at low speeds can cause more frequent oil changes, as compared to longer, high-speed drives. Frequent stop-and-go driving can lead to increased oil consumption due to the continuous heating and cooling of the engine. Engine condition. Older or worn-out engines may consume more oil due to internal leaks or burning of oil within the combustion chamber. Engine maintenance, including regular oil changes and timely replacement of worn-out parts, can help minimize oil consumption. Environmental conditions. Extreme temperatures, such as constant exposure to high heat or cold, can impact oil viscosity and lead to increased oil consumption. Additionally, driving in dusty or off-road conditions may lead to faster oil degradation and consumption. By understanding these factors, car owners can make informed decisions regarding oil change intervals and engine maintenance to optimize oil consumption and ensure the longevity of their vehicles. How much oil does your car need? Calculating oil capacity. When it comes to determining how much oil your car needs, the first step is to identify the oil capacity of your engine. This information can typically be found in the owner's manual of your vehicle. If the manual is not accessible, the car manufacturer's website or a quick call to the dealership can provide the precise oil capacity for your car's engine. Once you have this figure, you can confidently proceed with the oil change or top-up process. Understanding oil change intervals. Understanding the oil change intervals recommended for your vehicle is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. Oil change intervals can vary depending on the make and model of your car, as well as your driving habits. Some vehicles may require an oil change every 3,000 miles, while others can go much longer between oil changes. It's important to adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines for oil change intervals to ensure the engine is properly lubricated and protected. Regular oil changes also help to remove contaminants and maintain the engine's efficiency. By staying informed about your car's oil capacity and understanding the recommended oil change intervals, you can ensure that your vehicle's engine remains properly lubricated and functions at its best. Consequences of overfilling or underfilling oil. Overfilling or underfilling your car's engine with oil can lead to a range of issues that could potentially damage your vehicle if not addressed promptly. Here's what can happen when you overfill or underfill your car's engine oil. Overfilling. Increased pressure. Overfilling the engine with oil can result in higher oil pressure, leading to leaks and damage to gaskets or seals. The excess oil can also create air bubbles, reducing the lubricating properties of the oil and causing premature wear on engine components. Aerated oil. The excess oil can get whipped into foam by moving engine parts, reducing its ability to properly lubricate critical components. This can lead to increased friction, heat, and wear, potentially causing engine damage over time. Catalytic converter damage. If excess oil is forced into the combustion chamber, it can be burned along with the fuel, leading to the contamination of the catalytic converter and potentially causing damage to this emission control device. Underfilling. Insufficient lubrication. Running your engine with too little oil can result in inadequate lubrication, leading to increased friction and heat. This can cause accelerated wear on engine components, potentially leading to costly repairs or even engine failure. Poor cooling. Oil plays a crucial role in dissipating heat from the engine. Underfilling can compromise this function, leading to overheating and potential damage to the engine due to excessive heat buildup. Increased friction. With less oil to reduce friction between moving parts, the engine can experience increased wear and reduced efficiency, potentially impacting performance and fuel economy. Proper maintenance for optimal oil levels. Regular oil checks are essential for maintaining the health of your vehicle. By checking the oil level regularly, you can ensure that your car is running smoothly and efficiently. It's a simple task that can save you from costly engine repairs down the line. Regular oil checks. Make it a habit to check your oil level every time you fill up your gas tank. Park your car on level ground, wait for a few minutes after turning off the engine, then locate the oil dipstick. Pull it out, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and then pull it out again to check the oil level. The dipstick will have markings indicating the optimal oil level. Oil change frequency. The frequency of oil changes can vary depending on the make and model of your car, as well as your driving habits. As a general rule of thumb, it's recommended to change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. However, newer vehicles may have longer oil change intervals, so it's best to consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations. Regular oil changes are crucial for keeping your engine well lubricated and preventing premature wear and tear. By staying on top of these maintenance tasks, you can ensure that your car has optimal oil levels, which is crucial for the overall health and performance of your vehicle. Conclusion: understanding the right amount of oil your car needs is crucial for its optimal performance and longevity. By adhering to the manufacturer's recommendations and regularly checking the oil level, you can ensure that your engine is well lubricated and protected from wear and tear. Remember to consult your owner's manual and seek professional assistance if you are unsure about the specific oil requirements for your vehicle. Ensuring that your car has the proper amount of oil will contribute to its overall health and smooth operation on the road. Thank you for joining us in understanding how much oil your car needs. By learning about the factors influencing oil capacity and how to determine the right amount, you're better prepared for regular maintenance. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and car care tips. Remember, maintaining the proper oil level is essential for ensuring your engine operates smoothly. Drive safe and keep your car well maintained. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.